name is Wellington and entry number S79074. Today we want to discuss about the assignment. So first we enter in the data, and for this is create a data file. So the numeric is represent 0 for the each question. So in the question 16A for A, 16B is the question 69 this cell, for the question 69 case of 9. So up to create the data file, it will be like this, and this is after we enter in the data. So next question 16A. The population will be the 10,000. So the MU we said that is equal to 10,000, and the null hypothesis is equal to 10,000. So the alternative hypothesis will not equal to 10,000. So next the alternative two side. Because the graph has the positive side and the negative side, so after this confidence level, the confidence level is equal to the 98%, so we stand at the conf level equal to 0.99. So write out all the code and run. This is the answer after we run the code. So the t value will be 60.194, dn equal to 79, p value is less than 0.01. So because of the p value is less than the 0.01, so we reject the h naught mean. For this question 16a, the minimum is not equal to 10,000. Next question 16ab. So for 16ab, the average maintenance cost is 4,000. So the MU will be equal to 4,000, and the alternative is greater because the graph only have the positive side. So next the code level is 0.95 because the confidence interval is 95%. So we write the code. And the d value will be 2.1174, the df 79, the p value is 0.0187. So the p value is less than the 0.05. So we can get the result of this question is we reject the h naught mean. For this question, the population mean maintenance cost is not equal to 4,000. So next is the last of our lesson. This is question 69. For question 69, we have the two sides of the data. So we put out the data, this line and the bar equal to true because we use the null variance, and we assume the standard deviation and this question is equal. So we use the null variance and we write that this bar equal to true, and the alternative will be two sides because the maintenance cost and the null hypothesis we state that is equal, mean that this cell that the guess online is has the same maintenance cost. So next code level is 0.95 because our confidence interval is 95%. So we run off of this code, and we get the t value is equal to negative 6.5348, and tn equal to 78, and the p value is less than 0.05. So we reject the h naught mean for this question. The cell that the guess or the D value is 2.639 and the B value is 0.005 at both sides. Next we run our answer. So for this graph we can see the D value is greater than the original D value, that is 16.194, and the P value is less than the original P value, that is 0.005. So if we check the page now, okay, for question 268b is the original graph. The D value equal to 1.664, the P value equal to 0.05. And when moving to the answer graph, after we get the answer, we create a graph like this. So the D value will be 2.1172 is greater than the D value, the original D value, that is 1.664. The P value also is, the P value is less than the original P value, that is 0.0187, less than the 0.05. So we get the result, that is the, let's go to check the page now. So for question 16.8b, the maintenance cost is greater than 400 peso. Okay, so for original graph for question 3 is this. So we can see from this graph, the graph at both sides are positive and negative. So the P value is equal to 0.025 and the D value is 1.991. Next we will see the answer. After we get the answer, we can create a graph like this. So the P value is 0.0000000005961. You can see the P value is less than the original P value. And the D value is 6.5348, is greater than the original D value. So we can get a result that is reaching the page note. So means that for question 3, there's a difference between the diesel and the gas in the maintenance cost.